Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting advancements in aviation technology, Pakistan's JF-17 Thunder Block 3. This remarkable fighter jet represents a significant leap forward in both capability and sophistication, and we're here to explore its top features that make it a standout in the modern aerial landscape. First and foremost, the JF-17 Thunder Block 3 boasts an advanced avionics suite that enhances situational awareness and operational effectiveness. Equipped with a modern radar system, this fighter jet can detect and track multiple targets simultaneously, allowing pilots to engage threats with precision. The integration of a digital fly-by-wire system further enhances its maneuverability, providing pilots with a responsive and intuitive flying experience. One of the standout features of the Block 3 variant is its enhanced weaponry capabilities. The JF-17 can carry a diverse array of munitions, including precision-guided bombs and advanced air-to-air missiles. This versatility not only expands its operational range, but also ensures that it can effectively engage in various combat scenarios, from air superiority missions to ground attack operations. Moreover, the Block 3 variant introduces a new electronic warfare system, which significantly boosts its survivability in contested environments. This system allows the JF-17 to jam enemy radar and communications, providing a tactical advantage during engagements. The ability to operate in electronic warfare scenarios is crucial in modern combat, where information dominance can determine the outcome of a mission. Another impressive aspect of the JF-17 Thunder Block 3 is its cost-effectiveness. In an era where defense budgets are often stretched thin, this fighter jet offers a compelling balance of performance and afford. Its lower operational costs compared to other advanced fighters make it an attractive option for air forces looking to enhance their capabilities without breaking the bank. The JF-17 also emphasizes indigenous development, showcasing Pakistan's growing expertise in aerospace technology. The collaboration between Pakistan and China in the development of this aircraft has not only strengthened bilateral ties, but has also fostered a sense of national pride in homegrown innovation. This partnership has enabled Pakistan to develop a fighter jet that meets its specific defense needs while contributing to the global aerospace industry. In conclusion, the JF-17 Thunder Block 3 is a testament to Pakistan's commitment to advancing its defense capabilities. With its cutting-edge avionics, versatile weaponry, enhanced electronic warfare systems, and cost-effectiveness, this fighter jet is poised to play a crucial role in the future of aerial combat. Thank you for joining us today to explore this remarkable aircraft. If you found this video informative, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insights into the world of technology and defense.